Are you struggling with Wi-Fi connection drops, limited connectivity, or internet not working on Windows 11? This step-by-step guide show you exactly how to reset network settings on Windows 11. Let's get started. To reset network settings on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Network and Internet, scroll down, click on Advanced Network Setting, and you will find an option here, Network Reset. Click on Network Reset. You will find here Reset Now button, and click on Reset Now button to reset your network settings, and after resetting your PC will be restarted. Now click on Restart Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Click on Yes. Your computer will be restarted. After restarting your computer, your network settings is completely reset.